Hi, to enable and disable the Not Disturb mode on iPhone 16e, all you have to do is to swipe down from top right corner to trigger Control Center and find this square focus tab. So if you tap it, you will see the Not Disturb mode. You can immediately enable it without customization just by tapping it like this. So you'll see status on and it will light up white. And now all of your notification calls will be muted. So this is how it looks enabled. To disable, just tap it again. If you would like to customize this mode, then you can tap on three dots, choose for how long you want to enable it, or you can also go in its settings and here customize it. For example, you can select people from which you want to allow notifications or silence. So you can click here and add people from your contact list. So for example, only from Cassie phone calls are allowed. To remove, just tap this minus. You can also allow calls from favorites, allowed people, everybody, or contacts only, and allow repeated calls. You can do the same with apps. Here you can find options. So you can even show silence notifications on lock screen or hide them. You can hide notification badges. You can choose to silence notifications always or while locked. You can also dim lock screen. Then you can customize screens. So you can set different wallpaper for your lock screen and home screen when D&D mode will be turned on. Let's try this out. For example, we are gonna set this planet wallpaper. And here we can choose something from pages. So let's select this one, tap done. We can also edit it. And yep, now we can select something. Let's choose this and tap done. So now you can also enable or disable D&D mode from your settings, or you can go back in your control center, tap like that. And as you can see, my wallpaper immediately changed. So on lock screen as well. And on lock screen, we can see this marking, do not disturb, and the moon icon, meaning that this mode is turned on. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.